everyone, welcome back to Animation. Hope you all are doing well. So as our exams are coming soon, so we have to practice a lot, right? To practice that, today I am back with a new concept, that is square of the numbers from 1 to 100. So you may think that what is the square of the numbers from 1 to 100? So we know, right, we can easily do it like multiplying 20, like 2 into 2, 3 into 3, like that you can do it, right? See, it's very easy to multiply 2 into 2. You know, on your mouth itself you'll say that 2 into 2 is 4, right? 3 into 3, 9 you'll say. 4 into 4, 16 you'll say. But coming to like 15 into 15, then 23 into 23, 35 into 35, then 44 into 44, then 56 into 56. It's quite difficult, right? By listening only. Abba, we have to take a book and pen now, right? We have to do it now by using a book and pen. So, without using that, you are going to say it within a fraction of seconds. So, that trick I am going to show you. So, while learning the trick, we are going to solve one example. So, most probably, these sort of questions are going to be asked in the competitive papers. And even the board exams also, they are going to ask for the 2 to 3 marks questions. Clear? So, that's the reason. Listen carefully and watch the video till the end. We have to solve the example problem also, right? So, watch till the end of the video. Clear? Then shall we start our session? So today our topic is about square of the numbers from 1 to 100. See, I'm going to tell you few examples over there. So you have to practice the rest. Clear? 1 to 10. Everyone will say like 11, 12. You people can easily do it, right? So first we'll see the bigger numbers. Clear? Then today one example we are going to discuss, that is 1 or 2. Yeah. That is 23 square plus 25 square. Right? Now 25 square. In my previous video I have clearly explained how to write 25 square or 35 square, 45 square in easy way. Clear? Within a seconds we can write it off. So what is 25 square actually? 625, right? So in easy way you can say it. Clear? Again, while doing the example problem, I'll explain you, or else go back through my video and go through that video once again. Clear? So today we are going to discuss about 23 square. Clear? So it is like a stepwise. 1, 2, 3 steps are there in it. Carefully you people listen. Clear? Easy. First attempt and second time, practicing time, third time, fourth time, you need a step. Next one, no need of steps also. To understand it clearly, I have arranged them in a steps. Clear? Now see, what is, so just we are making like this one. Okay? So just it was our assumption like this. Okay? No need of mentioning all the time like this also. Clear? 3 3s are 9. So 9 should not be written individually 9. Always we should mention 0, 9. How we have to mention it? 0, 9. Then 2 square is what? 4. It was clear up to here, right? This is what our first step. Whatever the numbers are given, that should be square. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. So 409 I have written. Now we are multiplying the individual numbers like this. 2 3s are 6. And this 6 should be multiplied with the square. Right? 6 2s are 12. So what is your answer over here? 12. 9 added. Your step 3 is this one. Added. So what is our step 1? Individual squares we have written. 3 square is 0, 9. 2 square is 4. And what is our second step? We are multiplying them individually. Like 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. And then we are adding them. 9, 2, 5. So if you want to check, you can check it. See. 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now 9, 12, 1, 5. Is it correct? Which one is easy? So it is easy. So I was a little bit fast over there. Whoever are very weak in the tables and all, it is quite easy, right? Then now you can see 52 into 52. So that means 52 square, right? 2 2s are 4, 0, 4. 5 5s are 25. This is our first step finished. Now we have to multiply it, right? 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. In the middle you have to write. See, when 3 digits are there, like this you should write. When the 4 digits are there, in the middle you should write. 4 0 7 2. What is 52 square? 2704. Clear? So in this way we can find up to 100. Up to 100 numbers, you can find out the squares of the numbers in easy way just by using this small trick, like just squaring of them. Individual numbers we have to square, and later on we have to multiply individually. 1 to 1, 1 to 1 we have to multiply. When we get the answer right, that answer should be multiplied with 2. Squares I said, that should be multiplied with the 2. Then you will be getting the answer. Add it up, then you are going to get the answer. Then shall we solve this question now? Clear? Now what is 23 square here? Here also we can do it also. These are 9, 0, 9, 4 plus 12. So 529 plus. Now this one 5. So 2 3s are 6, 25. Now add it up. What is the answer? 14, 5, 11. Your answer is 1154. We can even solve like this questions 52 square minus 23 square. In the examination, the examiner he can ask any sort of questions like 95 square plus 15 square minus 25 square. Right? This is of us 5 only. We can easily do it this one. So you people solve this and see. Comment me the answer. Yeah. Now here 52 square is how much? 2704 minus 529. Can we do it? We can do it right in easy way. See, 2704, 529. So take a borrow. 9, 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Then 7, 1, 2. Your answer is 2175. Is it easy? So here actually the time consuming one is what? 52 into 52. It will take a little bit time. But in easy way by using the trick we have find out the value of 52 into 52. Right? So in this way we can use any number over there and we can solve the problems. Clear? Most probably the questions will be like this only. 23 square plus 25 square, 95 square plus 23 square, 95 square minus 25 square. Like this the questions may be. So first of all we should know how to solve with the squares of the particular number and individually. Right? In easy way. If we know that, we can solve the questions in easy way. Like in a competitive examination, the time will be very less, right? And the time is very less. At the time, multiplying the number to number individually, like suppose 4 numbers he has given. Like multiplying individual number only takes for you 2 seconds, right? 2, 8 seconds. Again, you have to substitute them there. Then substituting, again you add them. Or else you subtract. One will be adding, another will be subtracting. Then you subtract. It will take easily 20 to 25 seconds. It lag us to 1 minute, right? So we should not lag there. So if we know whatever the concept which we can do it in easy way, we have to follow that trick. So practice well, then only you will be getting a perfection in it. So stay tuned to Vani Vision.